Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and depth of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word of the day is beautiful. This is an A1 level word and an adjective that means very pleasing to look at. It's a simple yet powerful word you'll hear often in conversations, movies, songs, and more. Let's dive into what makes beautiful such a wonderful word. It's used to describe something or someone that is extremely attractive or pleasant in appearance. For example, you might say, "The sunset over the ocean was absolutely beautiful," or "She wore a beautiful dress to the party." Now, let's explore some synonyms for beautiful. Words like lovely, pretty, gorgeous, and stunning carry a similar meaning. For instance, you could say, "What a lovely garden this is," or "He has a gorgeous smile that lights up the room." Each of these words conveys a sense of admiration for something visually pleasing. On the other hand, let's talk about antonyms. Words like ugly, plain, or unattractive are often used to express the opposite of beautiful. For example, "The building looked quite plain compared to the beautiful palace next door." Or, "While the painting wasn't very colorful, its simplicity was still appreciated, even though some found it ugly." In everyday life, beautiful is incredibly versatile. You can use it to describe people, places, objects, or even experiences. For example, "What a beautiful day it is today," or "The melody of that song is so beautiful." You might also hear phrases like, "Beauty is in the eye of the beholder," reminding us that what we find beautiful is often subjective. Here are a few more sentences to help you use beautiful confidently. "The garden is full of beautiful flowers this time of year." "She received a beautiful necklace for her birthday." "The actor gave a beautiful performance in the movie." That wraps up today's episode on the word beautiful. We've explored its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in daily conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in and learning with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more listeners discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence with the word beautiful and share it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep finding beauty in the world around you.